Hi guys, so today's video I'll be trying out the TLM Color Changing Foundation. Now I bought this color changing foundation off of Amazon and I paid $4.99 for it. This took a really long time to come in. It took about 5 weeks and I had ordered it and I'm trying to be specific when I order from Amazon that it's fulfilled by Amazon. To me it's to get your shipping faster, and if there's any kind of problem with your item, then you know it's easier to deal with Amazon direct versus if it's a third party. But when I got the email saying that my product was shipped, I noticed that it was coming from China, so this took a long time, about 5 weeks to come in. But anyways, let's go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and read what this color changing foundation is supposed to do. Now it says, created for the very latest high definition technology of film and TV industry. Ultra HD advanced formulas look invisible on 4K camera and to the naked eye. Perfect for the makeup pros and for you. Flawless Color Changing Foundation Makeup is a new liquid foundation. It has a unique design. The exclusive shade sensing beads are activated by pressure upon application. So as the makeup is thoroughly blended into the skin, it intuitively transforms to your skin tone for all day natural looking color in your perfect shade. Flawless Color Changing Foundation Makeup can bring you different creative appearances in different occasions. It says it's safe for sensitive skin. It says it contains SPF 50, but on the box here it says SPF 15. Goes on white and instantly self-adjusts to match your exact skin tone. Okay, so yeah, throughout this whole thing it says it's SPF 50, but on the box it's SPF 15. So let's go ahead and try this out. This is what the bottle looks like. Hopefully you can see it. It's a little glary. Come on. Feel it coming. Oh, it's really thick. It actually looks like sunscreen. You can definitely smell the sunscreen in here. So I'm going to start off with that much, and I'm going to be using my Japanese sponge. This is my favorite sponge. I like it better than the Beauty Blender. It's so good. So let's go ahead. The consistency is just like sunscreen. So what I'm gonna do here, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and do a swipe here like this to see if it does change color. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and blend this side. Wow, it's really white. To me, it's making my face look white. When you smell it like this, it smells like sunscreen, but when you put it on your face, there's kind of like a floral scent to it. It's pretty strong. I'm very sensitive to smell, so I'm not really sure if I'll be able to wear this all day just because of the smell unless it dissipates. Okay, looking at it this side, it looks like to me there's like a white cast to it, and it doesn't look like there's any kind of coverage as far as foundation coverage. Not even a light coverage to me. And as you can see, this hasn't even changed as far as it adjusting to your skin tone. Go ahead and do this side. There's definitely a white cast to it, and it doesn't look like there's any kind of coverage. It's like almost like I'm just putting on moisturizer. You can still see all my imperfections. And I don't know, it's starting to itch my face a little bit, and I'm getting a little bit concerned about that. So when is it gonna start changing? Wow, look how white I look. My face is normally, of course, different color from my neck. My face is lighter than my neck, but oh, this looks really, really white. Should I try a little bit more? I'll try a little bit more. Now if that was normal foundation, those two pumps, I'd be a really cakey mess. I mean, that's a lot of product that I've put on so far, and I don't see any. Wow, I look so white. Seriously? And my face is starting to tingle, and it's itching a little, and I'm getting concerned about it. I think I'm gonna go wash it off. Maybe about 25 years ago, I had extra money, so I wanted to try a higher end, high-end foundation from a department store versus a drugstore. And so I went and I bought this foundation, and that was a higher end foundation. And I knew nothing about foundation, so I went and I got this foundation and I put it on my face, and I had it on for maybe half an hour, and it actually burned my skin. My skin, it actually burned my skin, and it made my skin peel like really, really bad. Like I was in the sun for like hours. So anytime I put anything new on my face and I start getting tingly, I get very worried about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off, and I'll be right back. Wow, that's really, really, there's no color change. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so when I went to wash this thing off of my face, this color changing foundation, I noticed that when I was washing it, like it felt like it was very grainy. I could feel I don't know, it just felt rough and grainy under my soap. I don't know what was going on, but yeah, I needed to take it off because my face was getting itchy and tingly. And like I said before, the incident that happened years ago, now I'm so cautious of anything that I put on my face. Once I feel any kind of tingle or it just feels weird, I immediately take it off my face. But yeah, this color changing foundation, first of all, doesn't change to your skin tone. It actually felt like you were just putting on sunscreen on your face. It's very shiny, oily. It just feels like sunscreen on your face. When you first squirt it out onto your hand, it smells like sunscreen. Once you put it on your face, it actually smells very flowery. It's very strong. So if you're very, very sensitive to smell, I don't think this will work for you. But yeah, I won't be using this again. This is actually, I'm gonna be throwing this away. I won't even put any links in my description box, just because I don't like it. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, bye.